Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine, aka Budget Treasures, and here on my channel we talk about all things finance with the emphasis on budgeting, saving money, and paying off debt. In today's video, I am going to be stuffing my cash envelopes for the next 2 weeks. I'm going to be stuffing my on-the-go envelopes as well as my sinking fund. So if that is something that you are all the way here for, just go ahead and give please subscribe to the channel. If you are not subscribed, I welcome you to the community. Just hit that subscribe button. It is right here on this side of the screen or this side of the screen. You don't even have to leave the video. Hit the subscribe button. Make sure you give this video a super thumbs up, and let's go ahead and get right on into it. All right, you guys, so we are going to be stuffing a total of $712 today. So we are going to count to make sure that we have all of our ducats here, and we're going to start stuffing. So I'm going to Wow. Let me tell you guys what just happened. Look what happened to my calculator as I was trying to pick it up. Fumble, for real fumble. So, okay, I think this goes, I don't even know where these things go. Oh shoot. This goes here. The number 7 goes here. So one thing I do like is that the buttons, because this is not the first time that this has happened, let me just say that. These nails is preventing me from putting it on easily. So let me handle this. I'll be right back. All right, you guys, so we got our calculator put back together again, like Humpty Dumpty. My calculator failed. All right, so let's go ahead and count our money to make sure that it is all here. We are going to be stuffing $712. So we have 100 plus another 100 plus 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Awesome, so we have all of our money there and ready to stuff. All right, you guys, so first, like we always do, we are going to unstuff my cash envelopes from the last 2 weeks. So I am currently using the No-Teak cash envelope wallet. I really love it. It's really, really great quality, and this is just a really nice wallet. So I have some receipts here that I need to go ahead and scan. I do use the Fetch Rewards app, so not sure if you heard about it before. If you haven't, I really encourage that you download it. You can get points for scanning your receipts. You can turn those points into gift cards, and you guys, you can get gift cards from anywhere. All you have to do is scan your first receipt, and you'll get a couple of thousand points. I'll get a couple of thousand points when you scan your very first receipt, and you guys, you can get gift cards from any. So if you know about Fetch Rewards, go ahead and let me know down in the comments if you are a Fetch Rewards user. If you're not, use my code and get you some gift cards. It is totally free, and we like free things. I've used it, and it's no gimmick or anything like that. So let's go ahead and take out, so I'm just gonna take this off. I have some coins here that I need to put to the side, and I'm gonna put it in my coin jar. This is the coin jar that I use, and I got this coin jar from Walmart a while ago. If you do put the coins in here up at the top, it does calculate what you have in here, but I actually haven't been doing this. I actually just put my coins in there like that because to sit there and do that is just a little bit too much for me. So let's go ahead and see what we have left in groceries. We have 25, 6. Oh, actually, let me put all the money together. So we have 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, $34 left in our groceries. And actually, I can just go ahead and complete this envelope, which is, we're going to be putting a total of $150 in this envelope. So it's going to be a $100 bill and a $50 bill. And I'm actually not going to take the money out. I'm just going to be adding to these envelopes, okay? You do have the option if you want. I have done it in the past where I would empty out my whatever I had left and I would just save the money. But right now, while I'm in a different situation, I'm just adding to the envelopes so that it'll give me more to use for the future, you know, for the next 2 weeks, especially with Thanksgiving coming up and things like that. So we have 100, 50, 75, 80, 81, 82, 84. So 184 for groceries. And then next, we have more receipts that we need to scan. And then I do have some coins in here. I'm going to be getting me a new coin pouch, you guys. I'm super excited about this coin pouch because it reminds me of the old school coin pouches. So, all right. So we're going to put this back. And for our eating out, we said we're going to give ourselves $50, 2 20s and a 10. So let's add to this 2 20s and a 10. Now that is 20, 40, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So $56 for eating out. I want on my mini face in the same way. All right. This eating out envelope really helps me, you guys, because on nights that I just cannot do all the things, it helps me. All right, and then in household, I don't think I gave myself any money. I don't know why I keep missing out on household. Did I budget for household? I don't think I did, and I needed to. 20, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I need money for household. Let me see if I budgeted for household. So next we are going to be stuffing our bill binder. I have not gone full-fledged with this right now. The only thing that I'm stuffing in this particular binder is my trash envelope. And the trash envelope is going to be getting $25. It's going to get a 20 and a 5. And this is to prepare for my next trash bill that is coming out. 20, 40, 50. Nope, can't count y'all. 20, 45, 55. So we have $55 in our trash envelope. And we are ready for that bill so that it will not fall behind again. So we are done with this binder. Can't wait to get started on this binder again, you guys. Next, we are going to be stuffing our home maintenance and our homework binder. And so this is going to get $20. It just gets its usual $20. And let's count this. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 210. I'm going to be changing this binder out for a new homework binder. And because I don't like the way when I open it, it does that. I just want it to open. So my OG binder, I'm going to be retiring it and making a new one. Excited about it. It is our OG sinking funds binder. I think I'm going to be switching this binder out as well because I do want everything to be a little bit more in sync. So let's go ahead and start. We're gonna skip medical. I think we're doing pretty good in this envelope. So we are gonna skip this envelope and we're gonna go to car registration. And car registration is going to get $15. It's gonna get a 10 and a 5. So let's count what we have in this envelope. 10. Oh, these $10 bills suck. Oh my goodness. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. $80 in our car registration. Every time I go to the bank, I ask them for crispy bills, you guys. They're saying we are not getting any more crispy bills. All right, next is clothes, and we are going to skip clothes. We are going to be adding $75 in our hair envelope. It's going to be a 50, a 20, and a 5. 50, a 20, and a 5. So we have here 50, 100, 20, 40, 45, 50. So $150. Let's get my weave done. And then auto care, we're going to be adding, what are we adding to this auto care? $30. So it's going to be a 20 and a 10. And our auto care. So let's go ahead and count what we have here. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55. So 155. So this is for me to be able to get like my oil changes and stuff like that. Next is support. Support is going to be getting $5. And that's just going to be getting a $5 bill. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, $15 in support. I need to transfer the support envelope to my daily envelope, because if I need to support someone, it's, you know, someone says, oh, can you know, donate to this or buy some candy. If the wallet is at home, it's not going to be helpful. Cleaners. Cleaners is going to be getting $25, a 20, and a 5, you guys. It is time to put my clothes in the cleaners. 20 and a 5. That is 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 71, 72. So I think when I add about another $25, I can take my clothes to the cleaners. Costco, we are done with Costco, so I'm going to skip that. AAA, we are going to be adding $25 to AAA. We kind of had to beef this envelope up because we just didn't have enough in our AAA. We weren't putting enough towards it. So $25. Let's count what we have here. 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So $15. Shoot, look at these ones. And it's actually not $15. Let me, it was at $115 in our AAA envelope. And then we're going to skip this envelope. We're going to skip this one. Job petty cash is going to be getting $10. Basically, this is for me to be able to donate things for work. You know how they're like, can everybody give $2, $3, $4, $5 or whatever? So I just want to have that. And then for holidays, holidays is going to be getting $50, 2 20s, and a 10. We are preparing for the holiday season. So let's count what we have in holidays. 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 170, 180, 185, 190, 195, 200, $205 in our holidays envelope. And then next is our beauty, not really nails. So yes, nails is included in this, but it's also everything else. So that's going to be $100. That's going to be 3 20s, 2 10s, 2 5s, and 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Gotta do tip people when I go. So that should be a total of $100. 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 5, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. And then next is giveaways, and giveaways is going to be getting $7. So that's in this binder. So $7 for our giveaway. 5 and 2 ones. I really want to do a giveaway soon. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, $15 in our giveaway envelope. And then we have $15 left. Let's see what this $15 goes to. Car wash. My car wash envelope is here. Alright, and that's $15 here. So we want to be able to get our car wash. So 20, 40. Oops. No. 10, 25. So we have $25 in our car wash envelope. All right, you guys, so that is it. I have completed my cash stuffing for this particular paycheck. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section. Make sure that you are subscribed to the channel. We are really on a quest to get to 20K, and I know that we can do it. And if there's nothing else, I will see you in the next video. Go be great. Peace out.